Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not working after installing the Windows 11 26H2 update. Start by opening Device Manager. Click the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand the Bluetooth section to see your Bluetooth adapter. Right-click your main Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the removal if asked, then restart your computer. After Windows starts again, it will usually detect the hardware and install the driver automatically. If your Bluetooth adapter has a yellow warning icon or the Bluetooth category is completely missing, you may need to install the correct driver yourself. Visit your laptop, PC, or motherboard manufacturer's support page, download the latest Bluetooth driver for your model, and install it. Restart your computer once the installation is complete. If the problem continues, check that the Bluetooth service is running. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. Find Bluetooth Support Service, right-click it, and choose Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start, then select Apply and OK. Finally, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Bluetooth and click Run. Windows will scan for common problems and apply fixes automatically if available. After completing these steps, restart your computer one more time and check if Bluetooth is working normally again. Thanks for watching.